Imagine running a 235 billion parameter AI model right from a device that fits in your hand. No external GPU, no cloud server. AMD's Ryzen AI Max plus 395 processor has shattered expectations and made personal AI a reality. This chip is rewriting the rulebook by packing the power to handle models previously limited to giant data centers directly onto a single, unified platform. It's not just an upgrade. It's a fundamental shift, GPU-level speed, but with the simplicity of a CPU. The GMKTEC Evo-X2 mini PC, powered by the Ryzen AI Max plus 395, offers triple the performance of a $1,000 Nvidia RTX 5080 graphics card on actual AI workloads. Lunchbox-sized systems are outperforming desktop giants, opening new doors for professionals and innovators alike. On Linux, this compact device delivers 128 gigabytes of unified memory and up to 110 gigabytes of VRAM. Models like Qwen 3235B, DeepSeek V3, and Llama 3.370B, once reserved for high-end clusters, now run smoothly at your fingertips. For engineers, creators, and researchers, entire AI pipelines become local, rapid, and secure. There's no lag, and crucially, there's no compromise on capability. Cloud-based subscriptions like Claude Code Max, ChatGPT Pro, Cursor, and Gemini can exceed $5,000 a year. But with AI on your mini PC, the upfront investment pays for itself in under 10 months. Install Ollama, load your preferred model, and route your favorite tools locally. You get the same interface, zero per-request costs, and absolute data privacy. Control is back in your hands. Literally. This isn't just a leap in hardware. It's a new era for personal AI computing, where powerful, affordable, and private intelligence is as accessible as your own device. The Ryzen AI Max plus 395 isn't just making AI faster, it's making it truly yours. Welcome to the dawn of local, empowered, cost-effective AI. The future is here, and it fits in your palm.